ツマンおじ今日のニュースを読みます。Reuters Precious metals start 2026 strong on rate cut optimism, global risk. Summary: India, China, physical gold dealers charge premiums. Markets anticipate 2 Fed rate cuts this year. Gold up after recording a 64% annual gain. Silver, platinum notched largest yearly gains on record in 2025. January 2nd. Precious metals kicked off the New Year's on a strong note on Friday, rebounding from year-end declines as tension between major powers and U.S. rate cut hopes boosted investor appetite for bullion. Spot gold climbed nearly 2% to $4,397.66 per ounce as of 11:02 GMT, after hitting a record high of $4,549.71 on December 26. It had dropped to a 2-week low on Wednesday. U.S. gold futures for February delivery gains 1.6% to $4,409.90 per ounce. Precious metals have kicked off 2026 on firmly positive note after a bout of profit-taking in the last days of 2025. Bulls seem to be drawing strength from the geopolitical risk and hopes of lower U.S. rate this year, said Lukman Otunuga, senior research analyst at FXTM. On the fiscal demand side, gold traded at a premium in top of India and China for the first time in about 2 months, as a recent correction from all-time highs helped lift the retail demand. Bullion surged 64% in 2025, its biggest annual gain since 1979, driven by Fed rate cuts, geopolitical tension, strong central bank buying, and rising ETF holdings. Gold prices are expected to move higher in 2026. We target a move to $5,000 per ounce, driven by lower real yields, ongoing global economic concern, and uncertainty surrounding U.S. domestic policy, said UBS analyst Giovanni Staunovo. Both central banks and investors are likely to continue favoring real assets like gold for its freedom from counterpart risk. Investors currently expected at least 2 quarter-point Fed rate cut this year. Non-yielding assets tend to do well in low interest rate environments. Spot silver advanced 4.6% to $74.52 per ounce after hitting an all-time high of $83.62 on Monday, while platinum jumped 4.7% at a $2,150.46 per ounce after rising to an all-time high of $2,478.50 on Monday. Both metals recorded their best year ever. with silver leading by posting 147% annual gains, driven by its designation as a critical U.S. minerals supply shortage and low inventory amid rising industrial and investment demand. Palladium rose 3.6% to $1,662.72 per ounce after closing the previous year up 76%, its best in 15 years. All metals retreated sharply earlier in the week as traders booked profit after CME raised margins on precious metal futures. 以上です。